Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, something cool arrived at the Foldfactory PO Box, and it's a unique hybrid format, a clever combination of the long triangle fold and a T-cross that I've never seen before. But I really like it, and I think you will too. So let's take a closer look. The cover has the diagonal split cover characteristics of a classic long triangle fold. When you open it up, there's a panel holding a business card. The two angled panels fold up and down to reveal large images and messaging. Fold the center panel downward and you'll see it's a T-cross. There's also a stack of light inserts, each one featuring a service on it. I'm surprised at how many there are and how securely they stay in the brochure when it's closed. I also like how the triangle-shaped panels go nicely with their triangular logo. Hybrid formats are often born out of necessity. In this case, I think they wanted a format with triangular shaped panels, and they also wanted inserts, so they had to add an extra panel to hold them in. The long triangle was the perfect base format for this modification. I could also see this hybrid design in a much larger scale with a center pocket and stepped inserts. It'd be super cool. A very special thanks to Melise Gerber for finding this HBNS sample and sending it to me so that I could share it with you. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work or found samples too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.